Hey everyone, it's Lisa from Planner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of November 16th in my medium vertical Recollections planner. And this is a kit by Dash of Sun Designs. This is a kit I've already pre-planned. As you can see, the stickers are already laid out. So don't mind my cat scratching himself. If you would like to see how I pre-planned this week, then I will have that video linked down below, or it'll pop up in the cards if you just want to check out how did I get to this point. But for the memory plan with me, I just go in day by day with my kit leftovers and just, memory keep with whatever happened that day. So starting off with Monday, I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these little scalloped corner, yeah, it's like a scalloped bow corner thingy from the kit. And just use a prescription like RX pill bottle from Cozy Paper Co., which is a shop that I PR for. I have all of these shops linked down below, so if you want to, check out the links to shop from them or save some money with any codes or anything, that's all down there. But anyways, I just had to refill a prescription. I think it was for my son, either my husband or my son. I don't know. We all take monthly stuff, monthly refills. So anyways, we had to go to the pharmacy to get a refill. So the pill bottle and then the script that says refill prescription are both from Cozy Paper Co. And then I'm going to add a little flourish from Honey Inked just to make that look a little pretty. Because, I like to have my little squiggles, and I just love how they're not the full width of the box, because then, you can kind of fill in the spots that are just like awkward spaces and just these, I don't know, strange kind of gaps that, I don't know, I like symmetry and I like things to be filled in. So if it's like a weird gap there, then it kind of bothers me. And so I'm happy to have all these little squiggles and things from shops. But anyways, then I'm going to take a half box from the kit, and then I have a little, what is it, like a stack of boxes from Cozy Paper Co., and then this circular spider web, which was like some of our Halloween deco from last year. Just to mark that I put away the rest of our Halloween decorations. And I'm using a transparent arrow from the Giving Girl to layer over that. I had already had all the Halloween decorations all boxed up. I just had not yet like put them away in the garage, so they were just kind of like boxed up in the living room. So I finally put them away on Monday. And then I'm going to take an arrow from the kit, and then a grocery cart from the Giving Girl, and this like squiggle divider from the Giving Girl, just to mark that we went to Smith's to go and get some grocery shopping done. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a flag from the kit, and then I've got a girl from Fox and Pip, and it's like her read, like, what is it? She's like, some of them she's reading and some of them she's just like relaxing, getting cozy. Is that what it's called? I can't see this the sheet. Whatever. It's one of the Fox and Pip stickers. And then I have a like transparent book icon from Honey Inked. That I'm just gonna mark that my husband and I did some reading on Monday night. I'm gonna put a little side bow from the Giving Girl with the book. And on that sheet from the Fox and Pip, that same sheet, she's got some that are sitting and drinking from a cup and some that are reading. And I could have used the Reading Girl, but I just wanted to like use one of these little transparent books from Honey Inked. So I chose the one that was like sipping tea. Then I'm going to take a mandala from Honey Inked and just cut it in half so that I can use the corner just in the edge, that like, that little edge right there, just because again, it's like a weird space and I want to fill it in. And then I'm going to take a pen flourish from Honey Inked to fill in the top half, which I kind of don't necessarily like because it's kind of overlapping with the flag a little bit. So it's kind of bothersome, but like whatever, I'll get over it, For my gratitude on Monday, I just put lost weight because I weigh myself in on Mondays. I am on Weight Watchers, and I was just grateful that even though it was like a small amount, I did happen to, I think it was like half a pound or a pound or something. I don't know. It was a small amount, but I was grateful for it anyway. For Tuesday, I'm going to go ahead and start with a mini flag from the kit. And then I have these transparent icons from the Graceful Planner. And I initially grabbed the wrong one. It was like I don't know what that was, but I meant to grab the house icon. But then I decided I want to put some little dots from the Giving Girl first, because I love my transparent dots from the Giving Girl. So I have a few sheets. This is a smaller one right here, is just like a sampler, that you get from your orders, and then the other ones I ordered. And I'm going to layer the house icon over that. because on Tuesday I had sold some Simply Gilded things on Mercari, and so I had to print out the shipping label. So on Tuesday I had to go to my mother-in-law's house to use her printer while she was out of town because my printer broke. So I needed to print the shipping label. Then after printing that label, I packaged up the order and then took it to the post office. So I'm going to take a like quarter box from the kit, and then I have a little postal carrier truck from Crafts by Thaowie, and I'm going to give it a little side bow from the Give and Girl. And then just to separate those two, that little area right there, I'm going to use a little dainty bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. I was also supposed to take my mom to the doctor on Tuesday, but she ended up just canceling her appointment, so I didn't need to take her. And so I was going to grabbing just a canceled script from the Give and Girl. And I kind of wanted it, because it's clear, I wanted to put like a little strip of washi under it so you could see it better. But then I kind of didn't want to cover up the icon because it's got the cute little dots under it and everything. And I love my little dots. So I was like, whatever, I'll just put the canceled script over it. No big deal. So then I'm going to take a, it's a bow, what does she call these? It's a leaf from the Give and Girl, and it's got the bowstrung thing on the top. Usually she calls those like bow accent labels or bow accent like boxes or something, but it's not a box, it's a leaf. So it's like a bow accent leaf, you know? Anyways, I'm going to take that and I'm going to layer it with some of her transparent dots. Also, I have a transparent dot from Wild Summer Designs that I used as well, I believe. I think. I might have missed it. And a little coffee cup from Honey Inked. Because my husband and I went to Dunkin' to try the gingerbread latte because the people in the Starbucks group on Facebook, you know, they say that it's the next best thing to, you know, because Starbucks discontinued their gingerbread latte in America a couple years back. So we just decided to go and try it. But again, y'all, Dunkin' never fails to disappoint me because it didn't taste like gingerbread. It was good, but it just, you know, at least it wasn't bad, but it didn't really taste like gingerbread. And then I wrote PM because I couldn't fit it, but I got a peppermint mocha, and it had like no peppermint at all. It just tasted like a mocha latte. So again, at least it wasn't bad, but like I was like, where's the peppermint? So anyways, then I'm just gonna take these cute little squiggles from My Niece Addiction. I like to cut them so that I can kind of like position them differently. And, you know, do some fun things with them. So I'm going to put those just to fill in those little spaces, as well as the other half of the mandala that I cut from Monday. And then for Tuesday's gratitude, I wrote toaster oven, and that's because before going out of town, because we're currently helping my sister-in-law move, so she's getting rid of a lot of her stuff, and then before going out of town, they gave us their old toaster oven, which is actually pretty new because my sister-in-law gave them her toaster oven, so they passed theirs to us, and so I was just really glad to have it because it was like a bit of an upgrade from the current one that we're using, so it's nice to have that. Then moving on to Wednesday, I'm going to take an arrow from the kit and then just layer that with some more of transparent dots from the Giving Girl, and then this box icon from Honey Inked with another bow accent flag, or no, another side bow accent. And I just wrote in garage because we started working on clearing out the clutter and trash and crap in our garage since we've been, during the whole entire quarantine, just working on cleaning the house and organizing the house up. And I've been going room by room doing it, and the last project was the garage. So we're finally starting the garage, yay. And then I'm going to take a half box and use this script from Letters to Apollo that says Start New Show, because we started watching a new show called Big Sky, and then I'm using a little flourishy, swirly thing from Honey Ink to separate those two sections. And for my gratitude, I wrote good workout, because I feel like I just was happy that I got a good workout in on Wednesday. Let me know if you guys are watching Big Sky. We've only seen the first episode so far, but we definitely are going to go back to it. We've just been watching a lot of movies lately because my son left to go to his dad's house on Friday. So we've been watching more movies than shows, you know, because we have more time on our hands without him there. You know, like we can't watch movies that are like rated R with him. So anyways, let me know if you like it. Definitely the ending of the first episode was like a whoa, I didn't see that coming moment. So we definitely want to keep watching. It was pretty cool. I mean, it wasn't cool, but it was like, it takes a lot to surprise me. It takes a lot to throw me for a loop. So we were both impressed with it. Moving on to Thursday. Did I already move on to? Yeah, I am moving on to Thursday. I just used a like skinny quarter box, or is it quarter? I think it's quarter, and I think the other box I was saying was a quarter box on Tuesday is actually a third box. Anyways, I used a quarter box from the kit just to mark that we went to Target, so I just layered that with an arrow, a transparent dot arrow, and then like an icon from the kit. Then I took a little, what are these? Another one of those scalloped corner things. I'm going to come back to that in a second. And then I'm going to move on to the half box where I'm going to layer an icon from the kit and then some dots, you know, from Watercolor Designs and from the Giving Girl, to mark our little movie night that we have with my son. We have movie nights on Saturdays, but we had it on Thursday because he was leaving to go to his dad's house on Friday. So we decided to have a little movie night on Thursday, and we watched The Spy Next Door, which was cute. It was like a Jackie Chan movie, and I'd never seen that before, and we all liked it. Then I'm just taking some more transparent dots from the Giving Girl, and then she has these little transparent or clear sticker icons, and it's a sampler I got from last year's Black Friday, which I hope she's doing again this year because it was such a good Black Friday. And I love these little icons. I use this little spray bottle to mark, by the way, I'm not going to leave it like that. I think I adjust it. Or do I leave it like that? Maybe I do leave it like that. Anyways, I use a little spray bottle to mark whatever. We have like a bug guy that comes monthly just to spray the perimeter of the house and make sure none of the outside bugs sneak in, you know, or like spiders or anything. So he just comes once a month and does that. So that I use a little spray bottle because, you know, it's like he's spraying the outside of the house. So I like that. Then I'm going to go back to that little corner and just use another postal carrier truck from Crafts by Thaowie because I had to go and drop off some more stuff at the post office on Thursday. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a lacy divider from Honey Ink. These are so pretty. I struggle with getting them on both sides. Like I kind of like, you know, there to be symmetry, and like if I have the lacy divider on one side, I also like it to have on the other side. But I kind of struggle with doing that because, I don't know, I just kind of put things as they like fit, you know? So, I don't know, I might not necessarily need to use that because, you know, I won't have that same awkward space on the other side of the planner. I don't know. I guess it's fine. And then I just took another like bow divider from Simply Watercolor Co. as well. My gratitude for Thursday was that I managed to close my rings for my Apple Watch. So that's always hard to do for me, so I was grateful for that. On Friday, I am just checking off the bills that were due, and then I'm going to take another mandala from Honey Inked and cut it again and just put it in this third box because I wanted to mark the movie we watched on Friday night, but I couldn't fit a half box in there, and then I didn't really know what else to put for a movie, so I didn't want to use the popcorn because I already used the popcorn, as you can see, on Saturday. I didn't want them to be right next to each other, so I just used the mandala, and we watched Midsummer. It was our first time watching that. Pretty interesting movie. And then I'm going to take another pen flourish from Honey Inked to fill in the weird space below the work script. And that's pretty much all I could do for Friday to fill in. For my gratitude, I managed to close my rings again. So even though it's back to back, I was just still happy I was able to do it. On Saturday, I'm going to use another page marker divider from the Giving Girl and just check off the things that I did. Obviously, I didn't plan with my son on Saturday, but I forgot to show myself checking it. Either way, I did plan with him on Thursday. I had just put plan with him on Saturday because it's like a habit, and I forgot he wasn't going to be here. But I did plan with him on Thursday, so I just checked it off for Saturday. Then I'm going to grab this sushi doodle from Wild Summer Designs, and I'm going to layer that with some more dots from the Giving Girl. I like this little side bow dot that she has. And I just decided to help me layer it, I'm going to use the backing from the sticker paper, and that worked really good instead of me like putting it on the paper and then like lifting it up and trying to get stickers under there. It's so annoying. So that worked really well. I was like pretty impressed with that. And that was just for marking that we went out to get some sushi on Saturday, and the name of the restaurant is called Sushi Wow. My husband and I haven't been out to get sushi together since Mother's Day, so we felt like going. And then for our movie night, we watched The Spy Who Dumped Me, which is a pretty funny action comedy movie. For Saturday's gratitude, I wrote sushi because again, we just haven't been in so long, and we were kind of sad to hear that our favorite sushi place closed down. I don't know if it was a pandemic or what, but I do feel bad that they closed down as our favorite place. But this place is actually closer, and they are pretty good. I think it's going to be our new favorite place to go to. And it was just nice to get out and, you know, spend some time together and have a nice little dinner date. And we do it's a smaller restaurant, so they have a very small capacity that they're allowed to have because of the mandates. So it's nice that there wasn't a lot of people there. Actually, when we first got there, we were the only ones there. And then there was just like, there's separation between tables, and we even bring our own chopsticks. So we don't use, I mean, they have like the wooden ones that are, not recyclable, disposable, but we bring our own anyway, whatever, just to keep, we like to use our own. Yeah, anyways, so it was just nice to go out. Sunday, just checking off the checklist. I also wrote schedule COVID test in there just because we want to make sure that we're good to go before we go over to our in-laws' house for Thanksgiving next week. And again, the only thing we do is we just go and get groceries once a week. And then this is like the first time we've been out, like with the sushi, in like, I don't know, 6 months or something. It's been a really long time. But we just want to make sure, So anyways, I wrote that in, and then I also doubled up a couple of little page flags, and I used a Happy Mail script from Colored Daze because I went and got the mail. I usually get the mail on Sundays. That way I know that none of it's like coming later. And I got some Happy Mail. I was really happy to see that. I layered it with the other half of that mandala and another dot, another bow dot, side bow dot, and a little flourish from Honey Inked. Then I just used a half box to write in the other movie we watched. We've been watching lots of movies. And we watched it. It was called Run. It was an interesting movie. I think it's based on something. I don't know. Anyways, and I used another popcorn bucket from Cozy Paper Co. Then I used the last scalped corner from the kit and a little grocery cart from the Giving Girl to schedule a Walmart pickup for Monday afternoon, so we could pick up the groceries again with like contactless delivery. Because usually we would go into the store to go grocery shopping, but we wanted to limit the contact, because we just had the COVID test. We want to make sure that it's going to be, if it's negative, it's going to stay negative, and it should be negative, so. And then I'm just going to like separate that with a little Honey Inked divider between those. And for my gratitude on Sunday, I wrote Happy Mail because I was just really happy that, my friends think of me and that I have planner friends. This community is amazing, so I was happy for that. Anyway, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed, memory planning with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up because it really does help me out, and I really appreciate your feedback and your support. Definitely subscribe so you're not already, so you don't miss more of my videos. I do upload regularly. I try to do 3 videos a week. Usually it's 2 to 3, And definitely leave me a comment if you have a question about anything. Like I said, all the shops will be linked down below, but if you just want to ask me straight up, you can just ask me, or if you just want to say hi and chat, and I will say hi back because I respond to all of my comments. Again, I love to talk to you guys, and I love to get to know you guys, and I'm so happy that y'all are here. All right, I hope that y'all take care, stay safe, have a wonderful rest of your day, have an awesome Thanksgiving. Remember, be safe. And yeah, and I'll see y'all in my next video. All right, take care, y'all. Bye.